Hello everybody, this is now the short tutorial for the D-Link system. So this is the D-Link PoE switch, D-Link IP telephone, D-Link PBX, and D-Link configuration. First, we go to the PBX. We need to log in. After you log in the PBX, you can see here PBX. So we go to the extension. This is the first step. Go to extension. After you go to the extension, you see here the 2023. This is the extension. So the name, for the 2023. Then the user device 2023 also. So remove this. This one need to remove. This one cut. Sorry, because cut that one. So now, oops, there is a remaining. What happened? I cannot cut this one. Cut this one. What happened? I cannot cut. Okay, got this one. So now the remaining number is 2023. This is the telephone number. So you go there in the device description, 2023. After that, you save. See, now save. Apply. This is the 2023 and PBX configuration. So after that, after finish the PBX extension configuration, we go to the telephone IP. This is 2023. 2023, the IP is 192.8.8.66. Enter. Login. No. 67. I cannot hold because my finger is holding the telephone. So we need this one again. 192.168.8.67. So this is the telephone. Need to enter the admin. This is default. Admin. and login. So you see now the telephone configuration. So we go to the network. We will pass first DHCP, scroll down, then confirm. So operation successfully. Go to the network, the account. So we need to do first enable this one, the line active, enable the label, the name of the telephone, 2023, display in the telephone 2023. You can change anywhere if you want. 2023. This is the name of the telephone. I will make this one as 2023, so very easy to configuration for that physical in the telephone. You can do this one. For example, the manager, the supervisor, and the number of the username. So 2023. Then the password. Back again there, and this is the password. Wait. Open this icon and search the 2023. This one, 2023. Press this one, and you can back now to the 023. This is the PBX. So this is the password. Copy this one. Copy and go to the telephone again. Back to the telephone configuration and put here, paste. Now the password is here. This is the password of the PBX. Then after that, you put the PBX IP 192.168.8.8. This is the PBX. After that, make sure this one disable, and confirm. So you can see here successfully. Back again to the network. So now it's configure DHCP. Open the status. Make sure that the registration is done. See, you can see here registered. So your configuration is registered. After that, back again to the account, only for double check. But this one is, that's it. So you can see here the 2023 registered now on the network. So after that, reboot for the refresh. So that's it. Our telephone now 2023 already online. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and more tutorial from the D-Link PBX and D-Link IP telephone DPX-130SA. Thank you for support my D-Link tutorial for configuration of the IP telephone. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and good luck. And for more information, I will put the link downside of my video. and you can request for support. Thank you for watching again. This is Rains from Lumen Bay ibs.com. Thank you and God bless. Bye bye. Reboot. That's it. D-Link.